All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to moderate and manage blog post comments. All right, so I'm in our blog section here, and the first thing I want to do is make sure that comment moderation is enabled. So to do that, I'm going to come to Setup, and you'll see here in my settings, comment moderation is automatically enabled. I can go ahead and disable this if I would like to manually moderate all of my comments. So let's do that. I'm going to hit save, and then I'm going to navigate to my website. And from here, I'm going to go to my blogs and I'm going to select a blog that I want to comment on. Okay, I clicked on this one instead. That's fine. And I think this is a great post. So let's go ahead and put in my email. I'm going to say, wow, what a great post. And I'm going to submit that comment. You'll see then that my comment is awaiting moderation. So I'm going to navigate back to my website and I'm going to go back to my posts and I'm going to come here to my comments. From here, I can click on this comment and I can either choose to approve or decline this post. I think that's a great comment, so I'm going to approve it. But if I don't want to have to approve and decline every post comment manually, I can set it up so that it's automatically done. So I'm going to come here and set up my moderation and I'm going to make it enabled and I'm going to hit save. So now when I go back here, I'm going to go back to my posts and let's come here. I can refresh this page and you'll see that that post has now been approved. All right, so now I'm going to leave another one and we're going to say, hey, buy my products instead. They are so much better. And we're going to go ahead and submit that comment. And you'll see that that post has actually been declined. It also picked up that I'm still the same user as I was previously. So that's okay. So this post has been automatically declined because the system has picked up that there's some sketchy language being used here. This person is trying to promote something in your comment section, which isn't allowed. So they've automatically declined it. Well, the system has automatically declined that comment for me. Now, if I come back to my admin area and let's just refresh the page, I can see that that post has been declined. I can click into this, view the full comment and decide whether or not I do want that post declined or if I would like to approve it. So I can go ahead and check out what is actually happening behind the scenes. Something else that we can do is filter our comments. So we can filter it by approved comments. So we can go through all the comments that have been approved. We can double check that no sketchy posts are getting through. We can go and look at our declined posts and see if there's anything there that we would like to approve instead. And of course, we can view our pending posts, which we don't have any, but you can view your pending posts and go through them and approve and decline them as you need to. So that is how you can set up comment moderation for your blog posts.